Keep them going. Canner. Third time's the charm! And I got it on video.
Can I see?
No, because I'm not stopping yet.
Wait, what did you? She fell off.
She fell off again.
I heard her
But
scream.
this was a more graceful one. She landed on her feet.
Aw, yay. Pretty good smell. You can see my sock under my hat. At least she's getting good at the whole mounting thing.
Yeah.
Well, she has the halter, lead line thing.
I don't know. Stand here long enough, Jamie. You will watch her fall off. It's done 3 times now in less than 15 minutes.
I think it's been less than 10. It's a new record. We should see what the record is. Wow, that is a new record, Shannon.
Yeah. She called Guinness, man.
No, the real record is falling off in 1 second. Which will probably be me. She'll have that one done by the time the year's out.
You gonna ask him to canter again? Yeah. Without touching the reins. Might as well now that I've got the video camera.
At least give us something interesting to watch later.
Yeah, come on.
Can we have her jump?
Sure.
Ashley, can we have you jump? Wrong lead. Try to fix this lead. Tell him whoa.
Now pick up your canter again.
We've done.